This lesson is about area of a trapezoid. Here we have a trapezoid, and as you remember, the one pair of opposite sides are parallel. If I take a look at the mid-segment of that trapezoid, then if you could imagine, I could cut this piece off here and move it up there, and at the same time I could cut this piece off here and move it up here. And you'll notice that what I have now is a rectangle. And as you know, the area of a rectangle equals base times height. So the question is, what is the base in this picture? Well, the base of the rectangle is here, and as you can see, it's the same as the mid-segment. So that means that the base here is the same as the mid-segment when you find an area of a trapezoid. So the area of the trapezoid is the mid-segment times the height. And so we can see that from our rectangle here, base times height. So the area of a trapezoid is mid-segment times height. So usually people remember the mid-segment as an average of the bases. So if I take base 1 plus base 2 and divide it by 2, I find an average of those bases. So that is the same thing as this mid-segment down here. And so we just take the average of the bases, multiply it by the height, and that's how we find the area of the trapezoid. Okay, so here we have a problem. We need to find the area of the trapezoid when the base 1 is 9, base 2 is 12, and the height is 3. So I just simply take my area formula and plug in what I know. So I know that my base 1 is 9, my base 2 is 12, and my height is 3. And now we just need to solve the problem. So when I simplify, I get 31.5 units squared, and that's my answer. Okay, so here I have a problem where I need to find base 2 of the trapezoid, and I'm told that the area is 8 feet. So I take my area formula and I plug in everything that I know. So I know that my area is 8 from up here. I know that my base 1 is 3 from the picture, and I know that my height is 2 also from the picture. So now it's just a matter of simplifying. I'm looking here and I see that I have a 2 on the denominator and a 2 on the numerator, so those can cancel. So I'm left with 8 equals 3 plus B2. And when I simplify, I find that B2 equals 5 feet. So there's my answer. Okay, thanks for watching.